மதிப்புமிகு அபிஷேக் குப்தா ஐபிஎஸ் அவர்களை எம் பள்ளியின் சார்பாக வருக வருக என இருகரம் குவித்து வரவேற்கிறோம். காட்சிக்கு எளிமை, பழகுவதிலோ இனிமை. கடமை தவறாதவர் கண்ணியமானவர், நேர்மை தவறாதவர் நேர்மையாளர், கண்டிப்பும் அரவணைப்பும் ஒருங்கே கொண்டவர், தவறுகளை தட்டி கேட்பதில் நேதாஜி, திண்டிவனம் நகரை தன் கட்டுக்குள் கொண்டு வந்த திண்மையாளர், ஊரை காக்கும் உறவைகள் காக்கும் உயிரையும்.
A very good morning to everyone. Prayer is the opening of heart to God as to a friend. So let's begin this day with the prayer song.
Very good. Attention. Very good. Select this. Flag salute. Order.
Past. I humbly request our chief guest to salute the cadets of 4 houses.
Very good. Turn your right, right turn. By the right, quiet, march.
respected head of the institution, faculty members, staff, and my all dear friends. Very good morning to all of you. It's been a great pleasure that you people have invited, and I got an opportunity to witness this parade. And I must tell, this parade was outstanding with remarkable coordination, excellent grip, and mesmerizable foot movements in exact synchronization with the drum beats. It was truly enthralling. So I congratulate you all who all participated in the drill. You did remarkably well today. I also pay my compliments to the captains who have been selected by the process of voting, and definitely in the opening address she has mentioned that this investiture means new authority, some power, some ability to influence your fellow mates, and definitely I would like to add one more point which perhaps was missed, that with this great authority and power and ability to influence, you get lot of responsibility on your shoulders. Please take it as your own and fulfill the expectations which come out of this responsibility. Authority is nothing. You take this responsibility, carry it out, authority will automatically flow in. You will get support of your mates, you will get support of your faculty members, your teachers, and definitely you can fulfill the responsibility given to you by your fellow mates. One more thing was added in the opening address, that you get inspired by when someone does something, when somebody comes up in front of you as a role model. It is very much true. I second it. Whenever you get an opportunity to meet people of prominence, people who have done something good in life, take a lesson from them. Definitely you can take a learning and you can imbibe them that learning in your daily course of life. As students, I will not say much. Already teachers will be guiding you very well, I hope so. But just from my side, you work hard, you do well in your studies, you do well in your outdoor activities, be it games, be it drill, be it NCC. There is NCC or NCC is Scout. You do well in your scout activities and develop your holistic personality. That is the key. You develop not just your academic skills, but also outdoor skills, your other spiritual interests, all that matters. I congratulate you all for being a good student and for being for showcasing this excellent parade. And I pay my compliments to the faculty members, my special compliments to the principal, to the head of the institution for organizing such a wonderful function in this fine morning. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.